As much as I love beauty and makeup, the truth is if my skin is not healthy underneath, it doesn't matter. Winter always brings the thirstiest version of my skin when I notice that my skin is flaking off in parts, that it's dry, and it's losing that bounce in my skin. I know it's time to bring out the goods. So when Stylevana sent me a box of curated Asian skincare, I was excited to see how it could keep my skin hydrated, calm, and glowing during the driest season of the year. Before I share what I've been trying and loving, let's talk about Stylevana for a second. If you are new to their site, you definitely want to bookmark it. Stylevana is a massive destination for Asian skincare. Think Korean and Japanese skincare brands and trending K-beauty products. Unique formulations you won't find anywhere else, and prices that honestly are so surprising and won't break the bank. They carry everything from serums, from barrier creams, from sunscreens and moisturizers. You will also find cleansing oils, face masks, and makeup. I get to try brands that are known for their forward thinking and for ingredients that are really gentle on the skin. Shopping is really easy. You can search by brand, skincare return, skincare routines, or product type. Add everything in your cart, apply my special discount here, and you will get 10% off your order. Now let's get into the skincare products because this is where things get really good. Okay, let's talk about Anua Heart Leaf. This is their Core Control Cleansing Oil, and I love using this. This is the first step in the two-part cleansing routine. This oil is so lightweight. It feels so great on the skin. It removes makeup, sunscreen, impurities off your skin. It's very gentle, and you just take a few pumps and you lather it on your face, and then you take lukewarm water and then you rinse it right off, and you will notice how soft your skin will feel. I like using this product at night because I want to get that really deep clean. So again, like I said before, just 2 pumps on dry skin, and then add a little bit of warm water to emulsify the product, and then rinse it right off. Everything breaks down beautifully. My skin doesn't feel tight. It also doesn't feel clogged up from any heavy oils. This oil, again, this cleansing oil is very lightweight. Your skin feels smooth and calm and ready for step 2. So in the winter for cleansing your skin, using a cleansing oil is a really great idea because it offers additional hydration. And this one is not heavy, lightweight, and I think you'll really love it. The next moisturizer is from On Ingredients, and it's the Skin Barrier Calming Lotion. This lotion comes in a set, and we are going to talk about this one here in 20 ml. I love that it comes in a set because I go through moisturizers so fast, especially during winter time. This one is lightweight. It feels cooling on the skin, and my skin absorbs it really nicely. I like to grab this lotion on evenings or nights where I use retinol, or when my skin feels more sensitive than usual. This is how you use the Skin Barrier Calming Lotion. You can use it morning or night, and after you cleanse your face and use your serum, you can add this lightweight calming lotion, and if you need something thicker, you can apply it after this. I love this lotion because it feels like comfort without the heaviness. My skin drinks it in instantly, and my skin feels really soft, and it's also a great lotion before you apply any makeup. Okay, this one here is the Medicube Kojic Acid Turmeric Night Wrapping Mask. This product, I've never used anything like this. Kojic acid and turmeric ingredients are known for brightening, and I could really use a lot of that right now. This mask works overnight with sealing everything in, giving you a moisturizing layer that doesn't feel greasy at all. So what you want to do after you've cleansed your skin, you're going to apply an even layer all over your face. you are going to avoid your lips and avoid the eye area. And within 15 minutes, this starts to dry and to firm up, and you can go to bed. Just make sure that it's fully dry and you're not laying on your pillow, because it will get sticky before it firms up. Or if you just want a quick mask, just put it on and have it on for 15 minutes. And the fun part is, to remove it, you have to peel it off your skin, and that is like actually really therapeutic. And if you're not able to get all of that off, then you can rinse it with warm water. It's really nice when you use this as an overnight mask, because you wake up with smoother skin, and my skin actually feels toned too. Night masks are my secret weapon when it gets so cold. This one repairs while I sleep, so when I wake up, I don't have to do so much with my skincare because my skin is so hydrated. This product here is from Access Y. It's their dark spot correcting glow serum. So if you need a refresh, this is perfect for anyone who needs a refresh. If your skin looks blotchy or tired, this is exactly what you need. Dullness tends to creep in during winter time especially, and I usually have it like around the lower portion of my cheeks and my chin, and I love using it because it really enhances the glow. Also, my skin does not feel sticky when I use this, and I can layer it with other skincare products that I need. The results for me from using this is brighter, smoother skin, and my makeup sits better because my skin underneath is even and well hydrated. This cream feels like a moisture shield, but in the best way. The bamboo extract is very soothing, and the panthenol is a barrier support favorite. When my skin feels irritated, or if I've used actives, this is what I reach for. It keeps my skin soft through the night and protects against winter tightness that happens because of colder temps. So I love this cream on my face. This tub right here is from Kors RX. It's a skin barrier moisture cream, and it has ceramides, panthenol, and hyaluronic acid. And we've been talking about skincare products for your face, but this one you can use on your face too, and your entire body, because I don't know about you, my entire body is so dry in the winter time from head to toe. This cream is amazing. My body just soaked it up, just drank it like a tall glass of water. It sinks in slowly and leaves a really nice cushiony feel and keeps my body moisturized all day long. So I know we are emphasizing our facial skin, but don't forget your body. Like, your body gets very tight and dry from the colder temps, and you can keep it moisturized with this and all the amazing ingredients in it. All of these products here from Stylevana checked all the boxes in keeping my skin calm, hydrated, supported, and glowing through these cold months. I don't know where you guys are at, but it's definitely getting cold here in Southern California, and this supply here is going to make my body feel so comfortable, nourished, hydrated, and glowy all season long. If you're curious about K-Beauty or want to refresh your routine for winter, Stylevana is the website you should check out. Stylevana is such a great place to explore. It has so many great products, a really fun website. There's new drops all the time, and there's always something for everyone. There's always something for every skincare concern. Stylevana has products that really are effective, gentle, and make your skin look and feel better. You can use my special code if you want to try out these products for yourself. Please let me know if you have any questions, if you have ordered from Stylevana before, if you'd like to share your favorites. I would love to know. I'm Debbie. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I want slow love, uncomplicated touch, stable as we go, consistent